Can I go trick-or-treating? No, you're grounded. Dang it! I don't like today.
But why? Because you're going to keep getting your bad grades. That's why you're not going trick-or-treating.
Meanwhile, man, I really want to go trick-or-treating. Oh, maybe I can just sneak down out of the window and go trick-or-treating.
After Puppies got dressed for trick-or-treating.
Alright, now it's time to sneak out of the window to go trick-or-treat. Now it's time to go trick-or-treating. I do like today! A few moments later. Ah, look! Someone is wearing the same costume as Puppies. Or maybe this is Puppies. Can't believe this. Puppies, what do you think you're doing?
What are you doing here?
Get back in the car right now. Fine. Hi everyone. Did you guys like the video? Leave a note in the comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. Give us a thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!